wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best bike child seats. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The bellelli pepe features a simple and straightforward design that installs on the back of your bicycle frame to see that aspiring young cyclists remain safely fastened in place and sheltered from any flying objects or stiff breezes you may encounter along the path. It's an aerodynamic construction with a stylish contrasting color scheme. However, the footrest may get in the biker's way. At number 9, growing youngsters will feel like part of the action using the front-mounted tyke toter, which places them in the perfect spot to start getting used to the actual sensation of riding, complete with their own saddle and fixed handles and footrests. Its compact size is easy to store and is equipped with a quick-release removal clip, but the ride is a bit jarring and unstable. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the perego Orion offers a fun ride no matter what the terrain, thanks to its built-in suspension system. It comes in at an affordable price and offers great features like an adjustable height footrest to grow with your young co-pilot. It provides a simple one-click installation and is a front-mounting solution. However, the harness has only 3 points. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bike child seats, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, built to last and capable of holding heavier loads of geared-up youngsters, the hamax Caress may not be cheap, but it's worth the money for toddlers and preschoolers who tend to wear themselves out on excursions and need a place to rest on the way home. It provides good upper back support and footrests with 10 height options, but it feels a bit wobbly on uneven terrain. Moving up our list to number 6. The Yepp Maxi is the Cadillac of thule carriers, wrapping your kiddo in soft but firm protective shell. It's equipped with an ergonomic, shock-absorbing, flexible rubber foam seat that provides an extremely smooth ride and comes in 5 stylish colors to suit any taste. It includes comfortable and secure footrests and holds up to 40 pounds. However, bigger kids can affect your bike's balance. Halfway up our list at number 5. The award-winning weeride Kangaroo is a center-mounted seat that offers a view of the road ahead to create the most engaging experience possible. The durable steel and plastic housing installs quickly and easily onto nearly any adult bike. It features a wide and roomy seat and doesn't hamper brake cables. It's great quality at an affordable price. At number 4, the Schwinn Deluxe is a lightweight but sturdy model made of a durable polypropylene material that's built to last. Its rear placement is recommended for younger children, offering greater protection from wind and road conditions than front-mounted designs. It's equipped with integrated spoke guards for the feet, thick padding on the crossbar, and a detachable headrest. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Designed to Thule's exacting standards, the Yepp Mini is a great option for keeping a mini Houdini in check and out of mischief. It mounts onto a bike's handlebar stem to provide a clear view for both riders, making sure your little escapist stays within reach all the way. It boasts an integrated anti-theft lock, thickly padded shoulder straps, and a 33-pound capacity. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bike child seats, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the ibert safety seat attaches and detaches behind the handlebars within minutes, so you won't feel like you always need to leave it on when riding without a passenger. It comes in 3 vibrant kid-friendly colors, green, red or pink, to delight your little boy or girl. It comes with a padded steering wheel for play and is made of tough molded plastic. It doesn't get in the way of your legs. And coming in at number 1 on our list. For maximum comfort and security on your next adventure, the Thule ridealong can be repositioned with one hand through 5 different reclining options. The high-backed base is cushioned by water-repellent padding that's machine washable for stress-free maintenance. It features child-resistant buckles, dual suspension shock absorption, and 3 color schemes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bike child seats, or simply click beneath this video.